When you were a kid, chances are you couldn't afford a real Chaparral 2E, Porsche 906 or Ratfink Beatnik Bandit. But you could afford a Revell, Monogram, Etsy or AMT model of them. While most of us outgrew that phase of auto enthusiasm, when we got old enough to buy real cars, a handful of artisans have kept at it. Their works were on display last Sunday at the Petersen Automotive Museum in Los Angeles as part of the giant ValleyCon model show. This year was the 29th annual ValleyCon and the show's fourth year at the Petersen. There were 389 attendees and 700 models on display. The show included all sorts of models, not just cars. But the headliner of the automotive category was a magnificent recreation of Southern California's iconic cruising street of the 1970s, Whittier Boulevard. Go watch Boulevard Nights on Netflix and you'll learn all about cruising on that street back when it really meant something. You'll also learn about love, lust and loyalty, which couldn't hurt. The car models displayed on the Whittier Boulevard recreation are almost all lowriders, which fits in perfectly with the museum's display of real, full-size lowriders down on the first floor. ValleyCon, which has cleared out by now, was up on the second floor. This year's Best of Automotive winner sort of like winning Best of Show at Pebble, though in 1/12 scale was the Porsche 935 Turbo of Jeff Corder from Nevada. Immediately after the show, all modelers took their creations into the parking lot and blew them up with firecrackers, just like you and I used to do in 1965. Okay, just kidding about that. These were too nice to blow up. You can still get model cars from Revell, Monogram and other manufacturers, so get out there and start building.